The 2024 Toyota RAV4, holding its title as the best-selling compact SUV in America, introduces the versatile RAV4 Hybrid Woodland Edition for its second year. This edition blends function and style, featuring a new two-tone paint combination, a standard activity mount, and an optional weather package for added comfort. Equipped with unique rear activity mount, high-profile black roof rails, and a 120-volt inverter, it is ready for road trips and camping excursions. The Woodland Edition also debuts in optional colors like army green or ice cap, paired with a midnight black metallic roof, and is equipped with 18-inch TRD alloy wheels suitable for off-roading. The entire 2024 RAV4 lineup, including this edition, is anticipated to be available at Toyota dealerships later this year. Prioritizing functionality, the RAV4 Woodland Edition offers ample storage, accommodating both people and gear, and features like standard front and rear mudguards and all-weather floor mats prepare it for dirt roads. The SUV ensures clear visibility with standard LED projector beam headlights and integrated fog lights. Adventure enthusiasts will appreciate its trail-tailored TRD-tuned suspension and electronic all-wheel drive, making it apt for both daily commutes and light off-roading. The vehicle operates on the Toyota hybrid system 2 and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder dynamic force engine, offering a powerful 219 horsepower engine with an EPA-estimated 37 mpg combined rating. Multiple drive modes, including Trail Mode, Eco Mode, and Sport Mode, cater to various driving needs. Ensuring connectivity and safety, the 2024 RAV4 features the latest Toyota audio multimedia system, with enhanced features like over-the-air updates and supports dual Bluetooth phone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, turning the vehicle into an AT&T hotspot. The SUV comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, a suite of active safety systems, emphasizing Toyota's commitment to passenger safety. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.